What is up, you guys? So I just got me a replacement foil and cutter for my Wahl 5-star shavers. These are for the finales, and they're obviously not for like the Wahl 5-star, the maroon ones. These are obviously for the black ones, but it still fits, and I'm going to show you guys how to quickly just take them off and replace them. So you just want to actually push this button on the side. It'll release the foil itself. This one's old, ripped, and broken, and it definitely needs to be changed. These are dirty, and honestly I probably just need to replace this. This was actually pretty new as well, the blade, but for 20 bucks I'm just going to replace everything.
To take the blade off of the 5-star shavers are very easy. You just turn it clockwise and pull right up. When you have the blades pointed vertically, as you see right here, it'll line up perfectly with that little center piece in the middle, and then you'll just put it on counterclockwise and it'll tighten up perfectly like it should. Now opening up the package, I'm just going to pull out the little foil cover. It's very easy to put on and doesn't take more than just a couple seconds. Just showing you guys a little up close what it looks like, and you're just going to want to line it up. Go ahead and push that button on the side right there when you put it on. You're supposed to, but I didn't, and it'll go on very smoothly. After in this video, I did use this a couple times already, I think about 3 times, and it does cut very good. Just with the Wahl 5-star shaver, I've noticed you just have to push a little bit harder onto the person's skin just to get that real close shave that you want. But all in all, it's a very good shaver, and I'm happy to add it back into my collection, getting it right back up and running for only $20, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.